Hello everyone. Happy Saturday afternoon. Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. I wanted to come on today and share with you the stencils that are on sale in the retirement sale that are one of my favorite themes. There are a few of them that are on sale for 60% off right now. So I wanted to show those to you. I have two others I want to show you that are in the same theme. They're not on sale, but if you love them and you're saving so much on the other ones, maybe you want to go ahead and get the other two or at least one of them to save on shipping. So this will not be a long live. I'm going to show you these stencils. I'm going to talk to you about the amazing pricing that you can get right now. And then I am going to come live in a little bit later this afternoon to show you a project using one of these stencils. So maybe you guys want to help me pick which stencil I use out of this. So let me get a little caffeinated here. Hey there, welcome. Thanks for hopping on. Okay, if you've been watching me very long, you know that I love sunflowers. I know a lot of people love sunflowers, but I really do. I love sunflowers. It's kind of like my decor theme with bees maybe for pretty much the whole summer until we get into fall decorations. And sometimes I sprinkle sunflowers in my fall decorations as well, you know, because they kind of have that coloring that can go into fall. So I wanted to go through the list of our retired stencils that are on sale for 60% off right now until they sell out, or until the 16th, which I think is this coming, is that Thursday? Thursday. So through Wednesday. Anyway, sunflower stencils. Let's start with the smallest one. This one has been around for a little while. It's called She is a Sunflower. I love so many things about this stencil. I love this image that is in half. You can do this stencil exactly how it is. You can do the sunflower over here, so it kind of is around the words. This stencil's 8.5 by 11, and the retail price on 8.5 by 11 is $14.49. But right now, you can get as many of these as you want for $5.80. That discount will come at the very end as you start the checkout process before you pay. You will see that that is the price. Now, if you're a member of my craft club, you get 10% off before that discount. So your price on this is $5.22. And if you're a creator, you get a 35% discount and you pay like $3 or $4 for this. I did not calculate it out. I probably should have in case I wanted to get more, but it's less than $5 if you're a creator for this stencil. She is a sunflower, and all of these that I'm telling you about for the sale, you would just go to the link that I've posted here. It is the Retired Stencil Sale, so anything in there is 60% off. I'm just in this video highlighting some of my favorites, so sunflower ones. Now, the next one I'm going to show you are called the Sunflower Quads, okay? It comes on a, I don't know, I think it's 11 by 11 square, and you can cut them apart. Here is kind of a mini sideways version of that same one. I love this one too. So it's got a smaller half sunflower, and instead of saying she is a sunflower, it says shine like a sunflower. So you get this on the sheet. You get gather with a trio of sunflowers. You get home with a sunflower for the O. And then the other quad or square is cut into two smaller stencils, one that has an individual sunflower and one that has a trio of half sunflowers. Hey, Constance, Amy, and Debbie, thanks for hopping on. So this stencil sheet, all that comes on one sheet, is normally $18.49. Your 60% off price for this is $7.40. Craft Club members, your price is $6.66. Sunflower quads, awesome for any type of sunflower decor. Now, the next one I'm going to show you has been, I don't know, in the vault for a while, and I am glad that it's back because it is one of my favorites. It says, when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. I love the font of the word sunshine. I love this huge sunflower over here. You can use all or part of it And you get a cute little bee on this. Adorable. This sheet is, okay, so this is called Sunshine. $23.49 is the regular price, less than $10. $9.40 at 60% off. Isn't that crazy? You can do so many things with the sunflower, with the word of the sunflower, with the sunflower, the word, and the bee, with the whole thing. It's awesome. And then if you're a Craft Club member, $8.46. Crazy. I'm definitely getting another one of these. All right, the last one I'm going to show you, I showed a couple days ago in the patterned stencils. It's not called sunflower, but come on. It's daisy pattern, but you could paint these or use colors to make these look like sunflowers. And look at this all over what you could make sunflower pattern. Even the leaves to me look like sunflower leaves. So this one's normally $26.49. It's the most expensive of the ones I'm going to show you that are in the sale. $10.60. So you could literally get two of these for less than it would normally cost you for one. Isn't that awesome? All right, so daisy pattern, sunflower quads. She is a sunflower, and what did I call this one? Sunshine. Okay, those are the four that are in the sale. Now there are a couple more that I love that are in the same theme. These two are not on sale. I repeat, these two are not on sale, but you can add regular price stencils to your sale stencils and it'll still take the discount off the sale ones, but to save on shipping, you don't have to place two separate orders. But this one, I might even love it more than this one because you get two sunflowers. They're kind of stacked. I've used this one a lot. And here's the one. Here's the two. This one is front facing, boom, right like this. This one's kind of like, oh, this one's looking this way and this one's looking this way. But this is called You Are My Sunshine, and it is regular price, $26.49. Unless you're Craft Club, you'd get 10% off of that, okay? Because you're a preferred member if you're a Craft Club member. So You Are My Sunshine is not on sale. And then this one is called Hello Sunshine Sunflower, okay? So kind of like the daisy pattern, a little more solid, like you'd get a lot more solid of the chalk paste here, and no leaves, okay? But this is part of like the door hanger series where you could do this, the flowers up at the top and the bottom and the words across the middle. This one is also $26.49 because if you look at it, it's all based on size. And if you look at it, it's the same size as this one, okay? So those are the sunflower stencils that are part of the sale and two other favorites. What I want to do before I hop off, there's a few of you on, I want to come back on in a few minutes and do a project, a really quick project with one of the ones that are on sale. And I think I want to choose between these two. So do you want to see me do a project with Sunshine or She is a Sunflower? So you could just say in the comments, Sunshine or Sunflower. Which one do you want me to use today in a quick little project in maybe like 30 minutes from now? I would love to know. I'm going to take a sip of coffee while you guys decide. But I'm so excited. I actually didn't realize this one was part of the sale, and I think I only have one. Hold on. I have, which is the one, yeah. I have a second one of the Sunshine one because I cut it apart so I could lay the pieces different ways, but I do not have an additional of this one. So I'm definitely going to be getting another one of these, and I may go ahead and cut some of it apart so I can lay it different places. Okay. There we go. Tuesday Sunshine. You guys like this one. I'm really sad this one's going away, Miss Lisa. Okay, so that is what I came on to tell you. I will be coming back. I probably won't announce it because Saturdays are just kind of like that. I just have to, if I have a chance to go live, I'm going to go live. So I'm going to be coming back later today. I'm going to do a project with this stencil that is now 60% off. That means instead of $23.49, it's $9.40. If you are interested, thank you, Amy, in shopping the sale, I did put the link in the description of this video. So when the live ends, just go back to the top of the video and it'll be there. I'll probably come back and put it in the comments as well. If you have any questions about the sale or any concerns, let me know that in the comments as well. I will be checking those throughout the day. All right, everybody, have a wonderful rest of your day. See ya.